to Fashion by your YouTube channel. Today we discuss about a beautiful model Mariana Rangel biography video for education purpose. Please do not forget like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Mariana Rangel is an American model, runway cross and TV personality. She was on the first model in 2023 to prove their model can also reach runway business. Today, we know walking big runway and clothing models on TV shows. Mariana was born in 2002. She is clearly working with American shipping company. She is only 21 years old. Her fashion journey is convinced to her modeling in New York City when she first went to agencies. She also knew because she was too old and 17 years. After ceasing with LA model management, Mariana took off. She worked with supermodels like Naomi Catwalks and many others modeling agencies. She worked for some famous designers includes Michael Kors. Her journey is not easy, working hard and stay confident and keep learning new skills. She helped many young models start their career and showed them modeling can be a long career, not just few. Thank you so much for watching my video and subscribe my YouTube channel.